Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today is, well, I did do this video originally about a week ago, edited it and then realised that I had mucked up all the imaging. I had mucked around with the settings on the camera. Basically the, I don't know what it is called to be honest, but the actual colour of the image was set wrong and I basically had to change it in editing software and I didn't really know what I was doing. So I'm filming this video again. We're now going to check out the new unit that I've all bought or renting to work on the car and to work on the YouTube channel. Got some little bits and pieces here. Got some more bits and pieces for the unit. But yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Subscribe and all that random rubbish as well, because I need more subscribers and that's how we're going to get the channel to grow bigger, better, make some decent cars instead of just MX-5s. So thank you, let's get right into this video, shall we? Take it back, we're going to be a bit more delayed. Literally just had some bits turn up for me from Amazon, which I ordered just last night, which for somebody who doesn't have Prime and turned up the next day, it's pretty good. That's a bit for the computer, which I've got, and I believe, hopefully this bit is a wall mount. That is a wall mount, because I've got some cool skateboards which I'm going to put up on the wall, which I thought would look quite cool. I've got a bin that I need to take over and some other bits and pieces like that. So it's bloody cardboard. So without further ado, now let's get straight into the video. We're going to jump in the £700 MX-5 because that is my now daily till the other one gets back, hopefully soon. We've got the bits out of the unit for that. I'm going to take them tomorrow. Hopefully we can get the car running sorted. I won't be filming that because it's at another company and they don't want me filming because they're working on other stuff which for customers who they don't want other people knowing that they have. So yeah, now let's get straight into the video, shall we? Okay, this is it. This is the new unit. It's not massive, but it does the job. We can get a MX-5 in here, and we can basically got space to walk around. Got, you know, a big shelving unit with all the bits and pieces, all the sprays and bits and pieces to do on my car, bits and pieces I need to sell. Little seating area at the moment, which, you know, get sorted. Sink with some cleaning stuff, and of course my toolbox. There's a lot of stuff coming for this anyway, because of course got my computer here. We're gonna, well, second-hand computer which I got given. I put a TV up on the wall, some working on cars. I can, you know, watch YouTube. Chris fix stuff, how to actually fix cars, because, you know, I'm a YouTube mechanic. But yeah, it's not bad. It could be wider. That's the thing. Like this side, there isn't too much space. But of course, this side there's a lot more. It's just the way the door is. Normally, we have to park at an angle, and it's fine. But we just put a bin in. That corner was basically just a rubbish corner. Some cardboard to lay on if I'm underneath cars. We get into the better section, nearer the front anyway. We've got bit of storage space, place some for the fridge, some waters in for the meantime, but food, and soon have beers and bits and pieces like that. Garage rules, because you're going to have those. Health and safety stuff to keep the landlord happy, and a heater for when it's cold in the winter. Got my BC Racing poster signed by all the Night Ride boys. Got new MX-5 skateboard deck, which is pretty cool. You'll see that in the next video, us getting that, because we go to the Brands Hatch Japanese car show. But yeah, I'm not 100% sure what's going on with this place at the moment. For the meantime, it's just going to be a little place where I can work on my car, sort out all these bits and pieces. As you can see, sorting out the bits and pieces on this car, because there's well, when you do this complete rear arch, well, we've done the complete rear arch. I did it in the video that I'm not uploading. We've got to do this side, because this side still needs doing. There's a rattle from the exhaust which needs looking at. Don't know when, but don't know. Then hopefully we can get this sold. Basically the idea for this place is just to buy a car, for example, £700 MX-5 project. We're going to do all the rust, get it all sorted, look at it all nice. Not brand new, because nobody really wants a brand new car. They want something they don't mind breaking or drifting or something like that. So that's what this is basically going to be. And then we're going to sell it, buy a new one, do the same, sell it, buy a new one, do the same, sell it, repeat, repeat, repeat. We've also got a few things planned, like our Japan trip in January. Fingers crossed that is still going to be happening, because I'm not 100% sure. Money's a bit tight at the moment. Now I'm paying for this place. This place is approximately £400 a month. In America, I don't know if anyone actually watches this from America, probably not. That's about $560. But this is all bills included. Everything is included. I can keep the lights on. It's fine. On a farm, secure farm, with gated entry. I can turn up whenever I want, sort of thing. The landlords are great. So yeah, it's a work in progress. Basically what we're going to do is grow the YouTube channel from here. We're then going to buy more cars, move out. Well, not move out. We want to buy the barn over there, which I'll show you around in a second, because there's some cool cars in there, courtesy of some of my friends of mine. But that is a plan, really. We're going to be buying and selling cars, flipping them, modifying them. We've got my white MX-5, which should be back soon, which if you're an OG, you'd know was red, was purple, now white, because I love the colour white on cars. Just looks clean and professional. So yeah, this is basically going to be a little hangout spot for all my mates. We can sit here, have a load of fun, have a few beers in the summer when it's nice, have the computer on, have some TV go, well not TV, but Xbox games and Steam, all that crap. I'm going to stay away from that area because it's like very, very light. But yeah, that is the plan for this place. Fingers crossed. But Japan trip should be happening. I know me and Ginger should be going. I'm not sure about any other ones. We've been trying to convince Finn, because Finn's quite funny. But it is quite a bit of money. We were planning on going drifting and staying in capsule hotels, all the stuff that a normal Japanese tourist would do. But of course, Japan Auto Salon, the Tokyo Auto Salon, we were planning to go to, because of course a new MX-5 is meant to be revealed. So I'm not 100% sure. But let's get straight into this video. It's mainly just going to be trying to figure out what the fuck is wrong with this. Right. So this is where we're at the moment. We're, what I've decided, anyway, I'm not 100% sure. We've got a rattle coming from somewhere in the back of the car. I don't actually know where it's coming from in the back of the car. I just know it's coming from the back of the car. In all fairness, I don't even know that. I just hear a rattle and it sounds like it's coming from the back of the car. I thought originally it was the exhaust. The cat was disintegrating and going through the exhaust. Now, there is something rattling inside the back box. However, I've got the cat here. It isn't the cat. Don't ask me what it is. I just don't know. So, I thought maybe it was his back box, but I also do not know. If I can... So you can hear something is rattling inside of that, but I don't know what. But I do have a back box at home. That means I also can't drive this car, because this is also my daily, hence why I need another car. As you always need another car. So plan is, I put the sports cat on, so it's going to make it sound a bit better. Got a mid pipe from here, which is a bit more girth, so lets better airflow out, making it increase a bit more performance on it. But the issue is it's got this bracket here, which is not ideal because that just sits underneath the car. Some cars had a rubber mount for this, but my car doesn't, so I need to basically cut that off with the world's dullest blade. And once that's in, I'm going to put that back box back on, and then I'm going to go home, grab the other back box, and probably fit that tomorrow. if that hasn't got rid of the rattle. The other thing it could have been is the heat shield on the side of the cat, because that wasn't very good and it's starting to rust away. As it's an MX-5, it likes to rust. But that is, you know, this bit here is all starting to like vibrate and get all horrible. But worst comes to worst, we can always just scrap that cat. Feel like a pikey, but it'll work. So yeah, let's get to cutting this, because it's going to be a pain. And I do not like all this light glow up here. I need a filter or something on the camera. But oh well. Oh god, not a great start. Basically, car's gone. Sort it out. We took the cat off and basically put the other exhaust on. Biggest mistake of my life, because well, it didn't quite go to plan, shall I say. It is a lot louder than it needs to be. Too loud. But the rattling has stopped. So the rattling stopped. Now it's too loud. It's not ideal. What can I say? We went to go look at another MX-5 last night with Ginger. He didn't buy it. It was really nice though. It was quite nice, but the guy wanted too much money for it. Had all the stuff he wanted to do, so it was perfect. Mark 1. So it's got, you know, pop-ups. Most important thing. But yeah, we're going to go look at the other car. Sort out the other car now. Hopefully get that running, which I'll put a clip in if it is running. If not, there won't be a clip. Come back over the weekend. We're going to do the other side of the MX-5 filler wise. We're going to put this cat back on because it's terrible now. But yeah, let's go. Alright, something's happened. Don't know what's happened, but something has happened. Basically, when I'm driving around now, all of a sudden the car has decided that it wants to just get hot. And I don't know why. It could be that it's actually quite a warm day today. And the fact I've only got water in the coolant system, not actual coolant. Taken the cap off the top of the radiator. It does look a bit, it's not clean. It's a bit rusty because of course it's an iron block. Not ideal, but put some rust treatment in it. You put in the coolant. I'm going to drive it home tonight. Drop the car back off later tonight here. Leave it for the weekend. I'm going to go to the gym or something, and then I think we're going to drain it tomorrow. Put coolant in. I just bought a full tub of coolant, and I think that'll do. I reckon. I think that's the plan. So, thank you very much for watching this. I do hope you enjoy. I do hope you like the new workshop, even though it's not massive. Still gets the job done. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. Please do all the, you know, like and subscribe crap, because, I mean, I don't know. If you want to do it, if you don't bother me, but please do. But yeah, see you later.